64th pre-competitive skill test. Therefore, in the exercise of powers conferred upon the ECP by Article 218(3), read with Section 58 and Section 8C of the Elections Act, 2017, the Commission thereby withdraws the election program and fresh schedule will be issued in due course of time with the poll date on October 5, On 1st March, the Supreme Court ruled that the elections to the Punjab and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa assemblies should be held within stipulated period of 19 days. It had, however, allowed the ECP to propose a poll date that deviates from the 19-day deadline by the barest minimum in case of any practical difficulty. The ECP said that it convened meeting with intelligence and security officials. New paragraph. Ghulam Ali argued to develop a consensus on polls date remained an exercise in futility. With the Punjab polls to be held in following month, the Commission announced a plan for meetings with relevant authorities to give a final shape to arrangements for the electoral exercise, covering the availability of necessary funds and security personnel. In this respect, the ECP also summoned representatives from the Ministers of Interior and Finance for a briefing today, Thursday. According to the ECP, secretaries of the ministries concerned will give a detailed briefings to the watchdog. New paragraph. They apprised that their inability to help the Commission in conducting the election, the possibility of election officials being kidnapped during polls, and recommended that elections not be held at that time. The order said that on January 14, the ECP was informed that the Pakistan Army would not be available for poll-related duties due to the prevalent security situations. Referring to those briefings on the overall security situation in the country, the ECP order said that currently, only a security man at average was available per polling station due to a massive shortage in police personnel and the non-provision of army personnel as a static force. The Commission, after considering the reports, briefing and material brought before it, has arrived at the just conclusion that it is not possible to hold and organize the elections neatly, justly, fairly, in peaceful manners.